The infamous Shauna backs her horse.
Back up, come on.
And the infamous heart says no. Off she rides into the dark blue yonder.
So fast.
Watch it. Don't blink, you might not miss her anymore. Go, go, go. And she's hidden by the trees. Over we go. Ah, boo. You look great. He didn't do anything. Where are you going? And she's gone. There she is. Here she goes. Into the yonder. Oh, she's carrying. Woo! That was awesome! Good job, dude. That was great. She actually did it, and I got it on film. That's awesome. I think this is the longest film we've done. Hi. That's my cousin.
I had to put my little bit in there.
Of course. Off she goes. That's funny. Sweet. One more time, ladies and gentlemen. Take two. Oh, fumble. That's a foul. Okay, be careful. Woo! 2 point. Good. Nice. That was perfect. Dude, your mom's gonna love this. And how you doing there, Hart?
He's a good champion.
He's too freaking cute.
See how dirty he is.
Woo. Alright, say bye, Hart. Tilt his head.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Hart.